Hi. Today's topic is Hadoop. What is an Hadoop? It is an open source framework. Hadoop will store large datasets, stores and processes. And next, across multiple computers, these Hadoop will store the data. And instead of relying on one powerful computer, Hadoop distributes the work into many emissions. And next though is three V's. Three V's of big data, which is volume and velocity, and last one is variety. What is volume? Huge amount of data like tetrabytes and petabytes, like that. What is velocity? Data generated continuously. What is variety? Different data types like text, videos, logs, images, etc. And next one is core components Hadoop. Of Hadoop. And the first one is HDFS, map reduce. Second one, next one, yarn. And the last one is Hadoop common. This HDFS means Hadoop distributed file system, which stores large files across multiple computers. And uh, what is mean by map reduce means it processes the data in parallel across the clusters. What is mean by yarn? Yarn means manages the clusters, resources and schedules the jobs. Manages clusters and it schedules the job. What is Hadoop common? Means it shared libraries and utilities required by Hadoop. These are the core components of Hadoop. And a small examples of Hadoop. First example, in a we have university we have 1,000 exam papers to check. Without Hadoop, first, without Hadoop, one teacher checks all 1,000 papers. What is the disadvantage here? It takes long time. And with Hadoop will distribute the work to many machines. So like that, here with Hadoop means 20 teachers each receive 50 papers. Everyone checks simultaneously. Results are combined. Total time is much shorter than before one. This is how exactly Hadoop works. How data is divided into smaller pieces. Sorry, and multiple computers process those pieces at the same time. And the final results are merged. This is how the Hadoop will work. First, it divides the data into smaller pieces, and multiple computers process those pieces at the same time, and finally, results are combined. And the next small example, let's see another example. Or like example, we'll take a machines. If a machine 1 laptop is equals to 200 and phones machine 1 laptop is equals to 180, let's take 200, and phone is equals to 150, and machine 2 laptop is equals to 180, phone is equals to 250. Final result 380 and 400. This how happen means online shopping. The like imagine an e-commerce company stores customer ID, product, price, and city, and purchase date. Millions of purchases happen every day. Management asks which product sold the most last month. Without Hadoop, one server scans billions of records. It may take hours. With Hadoop, data is split across many machines. Same like this, machine 1, machine 2. Oh, and each machine counts product sales for these. See here, 200 and 150. 180, 250. Now laptop 200 plus 250, 380, like that, and 400. So data is split across many machines. Each machine counts product sales for its partition. Hadoop combines the total at the end. And Hadoop stores all these information in HDFS, which and process it to answers. Like it stores in the Hadoop distributed file system. Uh, Hadoop stores the data. Hadoop will stores the data in HDFS, which is a Hadoop distributed file system. Suppose we have a files of 600 MB. Instead of storing it in one computer, first computer A, computer A, block 1, block 2. Next, computer 2, block 3, block 4. Next, C, copies of blocks. These provide two major benefits: scalability and fault tolerance. More computers can be added as data grows. And if one computer fails, replicated copies on another machines keep the data available. Where Hadoop is used, mostly Hadoop is used for Amazon, Netflix, Meta, Uber, banks, hospitals. Amazon product recommendations and analytics, and Netflix viewing analytics and recommendations. Meta means social media data processing, and for Uber like locations and the trip analytics, and for bank fraud detections and transaction analysis. For hospital electronic health record analytics. These are for these use large data, so they use Hadoop. So let's see Hadoop history. In the Jan 2006, Don Cutting joins Yahoo, started the Hadoop, joins Yahoo, and next year, next month 2026, it splits. Hadoop splits Yahoo, starts using it, and next December 2006, it create a 100 node web map with Hadoop. With Hadoop. Who created this? Yahoo company. Next, April 2007, 1000 node cluster was created with Hadoop. And next, Jan, Jan 2008, Hadoop made a top level Apache project. And next September 2008, Hive added to Hadoop as a contribute project. Next, current status of Hadoop. Hadoop. Larger clusters, 2000 nodes. Means eight. Next, 40 plus companies or the universities over by world they are using Hadoop. 40 plus companies and universities are using Hadoop. And Yahoo, Facebook companies, and cloud computing donation from Google and IBM startup focusing on providing services for Hadoop. And Hadoop components are HDFS, MapReduce, Pick, Hive, HBase. These are the components of Hadoop. Next, typical Hadoop environment. MapReduce, HDFS, operating system, data warehouse, data marts. Mm, weblogs, pages, social media, and the last one is docs and documents and PDFs. That's all for today. Thank you very much.